Hi guys, welcome to Authorized Info channel. Today I have NUBIA Red Magic 8S Pro and I want to show you how to manage your Google passwords on this device. Our first step to do that is from main menu we must navigate to the Google Chrome, where we press three dots on the right corner and now settings, where we scroll down and have password manager option. There we can manage our Google passwords. We can turn on and turn off some function as save passwords, auto sign in, or we can manage password which our smartphone remember. In this case to our Facebook account. We can click there and we can copy our passwords, copy our email, or after we press this ice icon our smartphone shows us password which remember. We can easily custom it by tap there and we can add some or delete something we need. We can delete all by this trash icon and confirm all by delete passwords, and we don't have any saved passwords right now. That's all. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye.